Hi everybody, welcome back to Sensory Centers. Today we are making an icky sticky ooey gooey sensory bag called a nature sensory bag. As you can see, it's just a Ziploc bag that I tape shut with duct tape. And inside we have different things from nature. So we have leaves, we have sticks, we have bark, we have grass. There was a flower in here, but I think it got squished up. And the whole point of this is you get the naturey stuff. You can touch it, you know, and squeeze it around and push it around because that's what sensory bags are all about. So, like I said, for this you'll need a Ziploc bag. You will need hair gel or some kind of equivalent. This was just little containers of hair gel from the dollar store. I ended up using 2 in this bag. So what you see in here is as much as I could get out of 2 of the containers from the dollar store. You'll need duct tape to close it shut. I can't remember if I said that already. And then you'll need pieces of stuff from nature. So I just went outside the library and and inside the library too, actually, because we have plants. So this this leaf fell off of a flowering plant in the library. And then outside there was straw, there was pieces of a tree, there was bark, there was grass, and there was leaves. So that's what I gathered and collected. And then all you do, and you will see this in the time-lapse video, is you open your Ziploc bag, you pour, shake, push, pull the hair gel into the bag, and then after you've collected your outside stuff, your nature stuff, so you can do that before, you can do that after you filled your bag. It doesn't matter. I did it before I started, but you don't have to. You could start it and then go outside, or if you take a nature walk or something, that's up to you. So after you've filled the bag with the goop and you've collected your stuff, you kind of push your stuff in to the bag. You could also, and I didn't do it this way because I thought it would make too much of a mess, but you could collect your stuff, kind of place it in the bag, and then fill the bag with the hair gel. So if you want more stuff like down here at the bottom, it might be a good idea to put that in first before you pour in the gel, because it was a little bit difficult to like slide the pieces in after it was gelled up. So that's why more of like the bark and the twigs and the stuff are at the bottom and the leaves are more at the top. But then, and this is hard to show you while I have to hold it up, but with your sensory bag, you can push stuff around, you can touch it, you can play with it. And another nice thing is especially anything that's at the top, if you decide you don't want it in there any longer, you just take the duct tape off and you pull it out. But if you don't ever intend on dismantling this in any way, you want to duct tape it shut so that nothing comes out the top. You can also, which I probably should have done because I had, you know, sticks and stuff in here, you can double bag it. So you can put one bag inside another bag and fill the inside bag with the hair gel. So that is all that there is to this. And just so you know, this is the nature sensory bag, but you can make any kind of sensory bag the same way. Whatever it is that you want to make, you can get hair gel in a bag and whatever you want to fill it with, and you can make any kind of sensory bag. So that is Sensory Centers for today. We hope you enjoyed this activity, and we'll see you back here next time. Have a great day.